Hi, I'm Juan Felipe Serna, and I'm gonna talk to you about my conclusion of this course. The first question is, how did the course help me to improve my communication skills? Well, this course really helped me to improve my skills because we have read a lot of articles, and that allowed me to like know to increase my vocabulary and also like to get a little bit less nervous. It also helped me because like I have said, I'm a very shame person and I get embarrassed very fast. So yeah, I consider that this course has helped me a lot to improve my communication skills. Did it help me to improve my public speaking skills? Also, I'm a very like nervous person, and if I get nervous, I start talking very fast. With this course, I have learned like to keep calm, breathe, talk a little bit slowly, and people is going to understand me. Also, if I have like to think in English, I don't know why I think in Spanish and then I translate it. That makes me a little bit nervous also. But with this course, like I switch my mind and I'm just thinking in English now. Did this course help me to develop written business documents more easily? Totally. This year, I started my internship at a medical company here in Mexicali, and they asked me for a letter and for my curriculum. Well, I did know how to write them, but I wasn't sure if I had to put some things or some things like facts or something I haven't. So this course really helped me because we did a curriculum and also letters, and well, I had my examples, and with that I can guide me to reading my business documents. Did it help me to work more effectively in groups or teams? I consider that I'm a person who works well in teams because I like to do a plan and to have a schedule. But yes, it also helped me to improve in my working skills because uh, it is not the same to work like virtually because we didn't see at any time. But also like to interact with people in English, 100% in English, is very effectively to develop our skills in English. Thank you.